This video contains the answers to 5 questions you may have about YouTube's new tax policy that was announced 9th of March 2021.
1. How will this affect my income on YouTube? 2. What kind of tax reporting documents does Google provide? 3. Does this apply to my other AdSense earnings aside from YouTube? 4. I'm a creator in the US. What do I have to do now? 5. What if I don't earn revenue from viewers in the US on my channel?
How will this affect my income on YouTube?
Only the portion of your earnings from viewers in the United States will be subject to tax withholding and reporting if you provide valid tax information. The exact rate of tax withholding will be determined by the tax info you provide to Google. You can view your tax withholding rate in the Manage Tax Info section in your AdSense payment settings once you submit your form. Tax withholding amounts are not visible in YouTube Analytics. Hypothetical example. Here's a hypothetical example. A YouTube creator in India in the YouTube Partner Program earns $1,000 United States dollars from YouTube in the last month. Of the $1,000 United States dollars, their channel generated $100 United States dollars from US viewers. Here are some possible withholding scenarios. Creator doesn't submit tax info. The final tax deduction is $240 United States dollars because the withholding tax rate is up to 24% of total earnings worldwide if they didn't submit tax info. This means that until the creator submits complete tax info, we'll need to deduct up to 24% of their total earnings worldwide, not just their US earnings. Creator submits tax info and claims a treaty benefit. The final tax deduction is $15 United States dollars. This is because India and the US have a tax treaty relationship that reduces the tax rate to 15% of earnings from viewers in the US. Creator submits tax info, but is not eligible for a tax treaty benefit. The final tax deduction will be $30 United States dollars. This is because the tax rate without a tax treaty is 30% of earnings from viewers in the US. Calculate your estimated tax withholding. See how your YouTube income may be affected with the following example calculation. Access the revenue report in YouTube Analytics and set the date filter to the relevant payment period, e.g. October 1/31. It may be helpful to set your YouTube Analytics to the currency you are paid in, e.g. United States dollars. Apply a geography filter to see estimated revenue from the United States. Learn more about your audience in YouTube Analytics. Go to your AdSense account to find your tax withholding rate. Your withholding rate is visible after submitting your US tax info. Multiply the results of steps 2 and 3 above. Note that following the above only produces an estimate of tax withholding. Once Google begins withholding taxes, you will see the finalized amount withheld in your regular AdSense payments transactions report, if any apply.
What kind of tax reporting documents does Google provide?
You will see finalized tax withholding amounts in your AdSense payments report according to your payment cycle. All creators that submit tax info and who receive eligible payments will receive a tax form, e.g. 1042-S, 1099-MIS, on or before March 15 of each year for the previous year's tax withholdings. Visit the AdSense Help Center to request a copy, revision, or to void a year-end US tax form.
Does this apply to my other AdSense earnings aside from YouTube?
If you provide valid tax info, the US withholding taxes under Chapter 3 should only apply to your YouTube earnings.
I'm a creator in the US. What do I have to do now?
As a creator in the US, you need to still provide US tax info in AdSense. If you do not submit this info, you will be subject to backup withholding, which amounts to 24% of all earnings worldwide. While you may have already submitted your US tax info in AdSense, however, it's always best to double check. Simply go to the AdSense account linked to your channel to see if you've submitted. Creators based in the US shouldn't see any new withholding taxes unless incomplete tax info was provided.
What if I don't earn revenue from viewers in the US on my channel?
All IP creators should submit tax info to Google, regardless of if they earn revenue from viewers in the US or not. In case you earn revenue from viewers in the US in the future, submitting your US tax info will help determine the correct withholding rate for you.